Yeah. Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Cherry Rose Riponti Maor, 37 years old. I live in Pigdaolan, Butuan City. I am high school graduate, year 2004. I am married to Ariel Maor, 42 years old. I have two daughters, Kisha Marie Maor, 16 years old, Krishna Cyrene Maor, 10 years old. My father's name, Maximo Riponti, 70 years old. My mother's name, Procisa Riponti, 60 years old. I have four brothers and two sisters. I start work in Kuwait Country 2017 to 2024, February 29. There are four members in the family. My employer, his wife, two children, one boy, 9 years old, one girl, 4 years old. My job experience as a domestic helper to clean the house, to cook food for them, wash dishes, wash clothes, I do ironing and take care of the children. I am honest, humble, kind, responsible mother and wife. I want to go abroad because I want to help my husband to earn money to support our daily needs, especially the future of our children. To my future employer, I will promise to you I will do my best to be a good worker. You can assure me I am hardworking, honest, multitasking. If you have child, I will love them as my own. If you have rules and regulation, you give it to me. I will follow them as long as it is easy. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.